POV lunch at schools be like? Hello, I am the lunch lady today, and I am super old. Let's hit the beatbox. Chitting up with the Uzi. Chitting up with the Uzi. Chitting, bang, bang, bang. What would you do if I just threw something out the window? I'll give you 1p. Okay. What would you do if I just pull that fire alarm? I'll give you $10. Okay. Wah, 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 wah. Everybody get in an organised line. Hey, I'm first. Your last name is literally B-Tech. Your last name is literally Wilshire. And my last name is... I actually have no clue what my last name is. Let's get out of here. We're on the field. Oh, I'm at the toilet. Oh, wah, 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 wah. Oh God, we have to go. I have to run. Do I wash my hands or not? Meanwhile, outside. Frederick, Auden. Where's Auden? Where's Auden? Where's Auden? Oh, I was just at the toilet. Did you wash your hands? Get back in there, boy. It's all burnt.